Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, low miles. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name.